ever scrolled and came across a post that totally resonated with you? Here are the 4 stages that may go through your mind while you're reading their caption. Oh, this image is pretty cute. What's she talking about? I'm there too. Let me see more. Girl, yes, this is so me. Oh, she wants me to raise my hand if I feel this way. Girl, yes I am. Girl, let me get... And I'm gonna save it. So cute. Oh, I may just share this too. This is awesome. Add to post. Thank you, please. Okay, so you may not be talking to yourself like that, but you are subconsciously thinking about that when you are reading their post. But if a post didn't resonate with you within the first 3 to 5 seconds, you probably just kept scrolling. Hi, my name is Jasmine Hunt, and I help business owners like yourself stand out confidently through branding, stock photos, and content creation. So in order to make people stop and stare, you have to grab them in the first few seconds of them seeing your post. With TikToks and Reels, attention span is becoming way shorter. So reading a post, the attention span is going to be way shorter. I'm going to be sharing with you the #1 common mistake that people make with their captions, how to fix them, and the questions that you need to answer for yourself before you hit publish. So let's get into it. So what is the common mistake that you may be making in your captions? It may be not speaking to your actual ideal audience. So do some research. To make things easier, I encourage you to write out one person that you can talk to. Write about that person by answering these 5 questions. Who is your ideal person? Who's the person that you want to be your client, your customer, or your member? What are they struggling with? What is it that they want to learn? What do they want to be inspired by? And what actions can they take to help them right now? Keep these questions when you are doing any type of copy, whether it's on your website or in your social media captions. The #1 mistake you may be making is not speaking to your actual ideal audience. Be relatable, share lessons you've learned, mistakes you made, and how they can overcome it. Remember, it's okay to speak about yourself, but make sure you bring it back to them and how it relates to their struggles. Now that we know our ideal person, now we can move on to how to structure our captions with success. So here's my 3 E's of caption success. #1, engage your readers. Create a dialogue between your audience and yourself. How would you speak to them one-on-one? Your first sentence should tell who you are actually speaking to. If you are speaking to everyone, you are speaking to no one. So you need to be specific in who you are actually talking to. Ask leading questions like, questions as if you are starting off a conversation with your friend. So write the way you would naturally speak. The best captions always make you feel like you are talking straight to the person. #2, establish value. So you got them to click the more link. Now what? In this section, you need to add value that corresponds to the leading question. So how can you expand the question that is more value-packed for your ideal person? Try to keep it quick and to the point. Here you need to make sure that this section isn't just a one long paragraph of nothing. People will click off right away if it's a one long paragraph with nothing of value in it. They may just click off or they may just skim through it. And try not to have too many hashtags. Keep those to a minimum. So think, would you really talk like that in real life? Keep emojis to a minimum too. This may lead to distraction. #3, explain the next steps. Now the last part is your call to action. What's the action that you want people to take after they finish reading your caption? Ask call to actions like, So there you go, the 3 E's to caption success. Engage your audience, establish value, explain the next step. Okay, so you wrote your caption by following my process of the 3 E's, but how do you know if it's correct? Here are the 5 questions you can ask yourself before hitting publish. The first question you can ask yourself is if the video or the picture or the graphic actually grabs your attention. Next, does this caption engage the audience from the start? Does this caption add value or a quick win? Or does it inspire them? And does this caption keep the audience interested? If you can check off 3 to 5 of those questions as a yes, then you are on your way to better captions. Remember, it's all about trial and error. You'll have some captions that fall through the cracks, some that rise to the occasion. However, being able to track what brings in the engagement and what doesn't will help make each caption better and better, to the point that the 3 E's will become natural to you and caption writing a lot faster. If you want to know the best content that gets the most engagement, you may want to head on over to this quick tip video, then take one of those content pieces and create a better caption right now.